Hi Sir Meko, magbabaklas kami ng motherboard.
Hello. PCI slot allows you to install a wide variety of expansion card including graphics and video cards, sound cards, and network cards. A floppy cable, also known as a floppy disk drive. Cable is a ribbon cable used to connect a computer motherboard to a floppy disk drive. This cable facilitates data transfer between the motherboard and the floppy drive, allowing you to read and write data on floppy disk. This is a serial advanced technology attachment, also known as serial SATA port, enable mass storage devices such as hard drives and optical drives to communicate with the system board using a high-speed serial cable over two pairs of conductors.
This is BIOS. BIOS instructs the computer on how to perform basic functions like booting and keyboard control. It is also used to identify and configure the hardware in a computer such as the hard drive, CPU memory, and related equipment. The ATX24 pin connector is the main power connector that connects the PSU to the motherboard. It supplies power to the CPU, memory, chipset, and other onboard device. It has 24 pins arranged in two rows of 12. This is RAM. RAM allows your computer to perform most of its everyday tasks, such as loading applications, browsing the internet, editing a spreadsheet, or experiencing the latest game. Memory also allows to switch quickly among these tasks while also remembering where you are each task. Here we go.
This is the heatsink. Heat sinks are widely used for cooling parts and components that produce heat while in use. The simple answer is to the question, what is the heat sink? Heat sink is that gradually transfer heat energy away from a heat source. Under the heat sink, we have the CPU. Tanggalin mo natin yung CPU. Here's the CPU. CPU or Central Processing Units, also referred as to the central or main processor, is a complex set of electronic circuit that runs the machine's operating system and apps. The CPU interprets, processes, and executes instructions. Most often of the hardware are software programs using on the device. CMOS or CMOS battery, the complementary metal oxide semiconductor or CMOS chip, is a battery powered that stores the hard drives, configuration, and other information in a microcomputer and microcontroller. CMOS chips normally provide real-time clock, RTC, and CMOS memory. Okay.